Installation method. Query or measure pipeline parameters. Menu settings. Enter pipe outer diameter in Windows M11. Enter pipe wall thickness in Windows M12. Select the transducer type in Windows M23. Select transducer mounting method in Windows M24. The transducer mounting spacing is auto-calculated and shown in Windows M25. Next, let's take Method Z as an example. Determine the installation point. Z method. Confirm the direction of fluid flow. Manually select upstream mounting point A. The installation point B is obtained based on the sensor installation spacing derived from M25. Wrap a sheet of fax paper around the pipe once. Cut off the excess parts. Fold the fax paper in half. Align the folding line with the ABS line at the circumferential midpoint on the opposite side of the pipe. Mark auxiliary point D, then mark auxiliary point C. Install the sensor. Z method installation. Drill a hole at the determined measurement point. Before drilling, align the center of the transducer mounting base hole with the drilling center and then weld it vertically onto the pipe. Close the ball valve and tighten it onto the mounting base. Wrap the waterproof tape around the lock nuts. Then tighten the connecting nut onto the ball valve. Open the ball valve. Insert the transducer into the pipe. Meanwhile, measure the distance from the outside of the pipe to the front end face of the push rod to comply with the following formula. Measure whether the length of the sensor meets the requirements. The installation diagram top view is shown in the figure below.